Hey everybody, how you doing? We're back. We're here for the final hour of trading today for August 25th, Thursday, August 25th, 2022. And noticing that the markets are up slightly, not with a lot of conviction, but they're up a little. The Dow is up 118 points. Sounds great, but that's only zero point 0.3 of a percentage point. Not with a lot of conviction, but a third of a point. We're up 31 on S&P. We're up 122 on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is up 1%, and S&P is up three quarters of a point. The Dow up about a third. Oil dropped today. Looking at 189 for the loss here, 93 a barrel right at the moment. And let's see. Just keep an eye on where we're at here with our favorite stocks. AMC today, not that it's one of my favorites, but AMC is off 14 cents and the APE shares are off 37. So those that means 51 cents lower on the AMC side of things. GameStop is off around 70 cents. We hit a low of 31.50 today, and we're sitting about 31.81 right now, 31.84. 3.7 million traded on GameStop. SoFi holding a gain today of 22 cents to 667. 23andMe is up 16 to 383. By the way, SoFi yesterday traded a ton of stock, over 130 million. So far today, 44.5 million above normal, and still have an hour to go. So I think we're going to break 55 million on SoFi today. And this is a good sign that buying is more than normal. Trading is happening after SoftBank sold out, we think, and here come the shares a little bit higher. Go SoFi, go. ME, as I say, 382 on about a 1.8 million volume, so we're up about 15 cents. Matterport now 473, up 9 cents. ATIP at 98. We topped out at 102 today so far on 283,000. Rocket Lab up 14 cents at 550 a share. SmartRent down 11 at 349. Started with a gain, but now slipped a bit. Spire having a big day today. 23.5 cent gain. Now at 156.5. This stock was at 112 just like a couple of days ago. I think like we have bounced off here. I should say that 112 was actually a little while ago, back in probably July, June 30, early July. So 156. We'll take this as a starter. Let's see if we can build on this and get back to a couple of bucks on Spire. I don't think there's any news on it. I don't see any news on it. I'm just happy to see the reaction today on how it's done. Funny enough, too, look at this chart. I don't know if you can see it too well, but this morning it was down here, and it had a big run up, right? And then it flattened out. Look at that flat line right there. It could not break. It couldn't go over 155. It was like there was a wall there of stock. Then it broke it, and it got up to 160. We'll see if there's more buying coming in on Spire. Go, baby, go. Cyxtera is down 16 cents to 750. Bed Bath Beyond is trying to come back. It looks to be at the moment at $10 even. Still down 35 cents, but this is the best level since this morning. It at Bed Bath Beyond got down to 941 today. 27 million traded. The volume is drying out. This was trading 250 million a day, at least every day last week. And the week before it was trading 200 million a day, 180, 230, 250. It's drying up. So there you go. Tesla down $4 to $292.95. Pfizer up a dime. Boeing up 470. Apple's up $1.82 to 169.35. HPQ up 88 to 34.10. High today of 34.28. Very steady range up in that range now. Today, anyway. Cisco up a penny. Twitter down 24 cents to 40.55. Home Depot is up 18 cents. Nothing going on at Home Depot. Carvana up 197 to 3806. Robinhood up 33 to 965. Vanek Vectors up 556 to 233.68. IBM is up 4 cents. Microsoft up 88. Goldman up 289. Google up $2. Amazon up 250. Meta Platforms 399 is the gain there. BlackBerry up 11 cents. Royal Caribbean at 157 at 43.53. They should sell stock up there for money. U.S. Steel up 154 to 25.59. Target up $3. Finally getting a little bit of upward movement there. JP Morgan up $2. Costco up 4.42. Walmart up 74 cents. Nvidia up $5.04. Disney up 32 cents. American Airlines up 38 cents. Netflix up $2.30 a share. Moderna down 74 cents. There's a quick rundown right now with the Dow up 136 now on the day, trying to hold some kind of a gain. It hasn't had much more than this today overall. And with oil off 184, that helps the U.S. side of things, but natural gas in Europe extremely high priced right now, equivalent to some estimates and experts are saying that the price of natural gas in Europe is like paying $550 a barrel for a barrel of oil. That's how expensive natural gas is. You cannot convert natural gas power plants to oil power plants. No, you got to rebuild the entire unit, and so that's not going to happen. And so right now, natural gas is artificially high priced because of perceived shortages coming up this winter because of the Russia-Ukraine situation. That's what I hear. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for thumbs ups. You guys are nailing the thumbs ups for me. 47 have come in. Hit that button if you can for us. Add some momentum to the show and channel. Please hit the thumbs up button today. Thank you very much. Love this. And what else is happening here? A lot of folks have let me know what number they are on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate a lot of this. Let's see. Cam wants to know if he can discuss an AMC scenario with me. By all means, let me know what you think. David Scott is saying, hey, Uncle Bruce, I started the classes and sold my first covered call on Tuesday. I sold a $36 GameStop call, September 19 expiry for $2.90. Should I let it expire or buy it back to write again at these new lows? Question, of course, is where are you at on that contract? Way to go. By the way, the stock at 31.85. You're beautifully out of the money now. That is a good sign. You wrote a September 19, so let's see if we can find the September 19 call, and I'll just take a look at my machine here, see where you're at. September, well, you couldn't have written a September 19. You must have written a September 16th call. That's the nearest one. But if you wrote a 36, it's right now 154 to 168 is the bid ask, according to my my Market Watch website, which is 10 minutes behind. So, you know, I'm not exactly accurate, but I think the stock hasn't moved that much in the last 10 minutes, or I could be wrong. Anyway, yeah, 154 to 168, you're about 50% ahead almost on your trade. Not bad. You've got the luxury of time kind of on your side, of course. You still have a ways to go until expiry, but you're definitely on the right side of this trade. And the longer you wait, the more it will deteriorate in value, obviously. Today it's off 33 cents. The last trade was 167, but the best bid is 154. So, you know, if you tried a 156 bid to try to buy them back, that might be a plan. You could then turn around and write the same date, another 16th of September call, maybe write a 33 or something like that. It would bring you about you could try to get about 250 for that one, and that would be $1 more coming down in strike. But totally up to you if you want to do that. But way to go on the first one. Nicely done. Mitch, Uncle Bruce, you should check out Beyond Air. Their device was FDA approved about a month ago and have a cancer drug in phase 1 human trials. Very interesting. Yeah, I got so much on the go right now. I can't do it all. Dave Scott, yeah, it was 16 and shows 160 currently. That's the way, says Alberto. Way to go, Dave. Nice going on that first right. Congratulations. Beautifully done. I'm really glad to see that. Nick is here at number 64. Thumbs ups. Thanks, buddy. Way to go, man. I appreciate that. Fabulous stuff, you guys. All right, we got to shift our chat over right now. We've got to shift our chat over to members only, which is what we do here. So thank you, everybody, for popping in. Thank you for these thumbs ups, you guys. Really appreciate it. Please consider becoming a member if you guys want to keep commenting during market hours. Thank you, all of you. And way to go, new option writers. This is good stuff. I love it. All right. There we go. We'll go over here to member only chat mode. There we are. And thank you all for following us and hanging out with us. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you're brand new, welcome aboard. We like talking about writing options here. We like watching the market and commenting on it in plain English. That's what I try and do to kind of figure out what's happening for you. And then a number of you ask me questions, and I try to answer them in plain English. But a lot of these viewers that are here, if you'll notice, their names are printed in green type with a logo beside it. That means that they're members of the channel. And members comment here. Most of the members that are members of this channel are pretty well option writers now, and as well as trading stocks, of course, but they also write options, and they're doing rather nicely in this bear market. It's perfect. The bear market, you couldn't ask for a better environment to write options in. Easy money being had here. Pulse Guitar is number 69, baby. Thank you. Cheddar Stacks, Fed mini crash inbound 9 a.m. tomorrow. Sheba says bye-bye. Mitch, buying more SoFi this week to bring in my total to 3,000 shares. Aiden says, we'll see you later. And then Options Nomads, number 70 thumbs ups. Thank you, guys, for hitting that thumbs up button for me. Beach is laughing with Cheddar. Cam Hines, I bought a $20 put on AMC for $380, and it expires tomorrow. I thought I was rolling in it. I'm being told that the price for AMC is $945 plus $677 for the ape. So the total AMC price is $1677, and then he needs to add to that message, which he will. Which means I am just barely in the green. There are no options listed for AMC for tomorrow. I'm not sure what my options are. Well, if the combination of the stock, let me see, we're at 941 plus 675. It's about a $16 combination, actually, not 1677. That means your option is $4 in the money, and it might be trading around 420, 425 would be my best guess. So you may want to put a sell order in and get out of there and move on, because it's about as good as it's going to be for this contract. I'm guessing. I'm just guessing. I'm just double checking right now to see if I can get this AMC to show up. $20 put. There we are. It looks like 410 to 475, last at 442. So you can offer it at 470 and see if someone takes you out at 470. But it's a 410 bid. Last trade 442 on the day on that call, on that put contract of yours, Cam. So maybe you want to put that order in there and get that done. Karen, number 75 thumbs ups. Thank you so much for that. Appreciate it. Fabulous stuff, everybody. Fabulous stuff. Lots to watch, lots to follow, as usual. DH Ruda may have moved to monthlies. I don't know. It could be your platform. I don't know why you're not showing quotes. I'm showing quotes on my Market Watch website, and this is not a trading platform. So it's Cam. You may have to call your broker on this one and put a sell order in manually. Talk to him about it. And get it liquidated and move on. Okay. You bought it for $380. If you can get $465 for it, you're going to make you know, 80 cents on it, and there you go. Okay, thanks, Uncle Bruce. I feel like AMC created the ape shares to screw with the shorters. Let's see. Olivia, hiya, I'm number 79. Thank you, Olivia. Karim, Uncle Bruce. Stock you don't follow. I wrote September 16 calls for 21 cents. They're now worth a nickel. I want to pay a bit less, but my stink offer won't seem to hit. Do I raise it or continue to wait for another further? No, just buy it back and get out. Just when you're down to these pennies, you can't. You can try the little stink game, but just buy it back and write another call. Take advantage of the amount of time left for next week, and write a call now. So get this thing back, hopefully at a nickel. You made some money. Write a call for next week if you want, and take advantage of the fact that it's Thursday, and you got an 8-day window to take advantage of with this next contract. If that's your plan. I'm guessing. I don't know what you're doing. But if you wrote it for 21 cents, you wrote a very cheap call, obviously. You're not looking at a ton of money. So I know what you want to do. You want to get every penny you can because you only got 21 cents going in. I hear you, but that's the problem with cheap priced contracts. You're dealing with pennies here and a penny or two on the other side. What happens if the stock takes a shot, or if it doesn't take a shot, you got to wait another 24 hours to get your stink bid. And is it worth 1 or 2 cents? Are you writing 200 of them? You know what I mean? You're talking nickels and dimes here. And what's your time worth? I mean, really, Alberto Krim raised it 1 penny and they hit. Just raise it 1 penny. Anyway, there you go. Congratulations on making money. Let's not forget that. You're making money, right on. You're doing the right thing, right on. You're figuring out how options work, right on. But now, for those of you who want to quit a day job, you know, if you can make $20 on a contract, that's nice, but does it pay your rent? Can you write contracts that make you $100 in a couple of days, and can you write 5 or 10 at a time and make a difference every week in your life? Can you bring in 500 a week, 1,000 a week from option premiums, and, you know, quit your job? I got to tell you a story. I got to mention this to you guys. Jennifer and I this morning had breakfast here in the hotel, and we were coming up the elevator back to our room, and we held the door open for two ladies that were joining us for the elevator ride. Turns out that they're from nearby here, and they're 2 sisters, and the one gal is from out of town, and her sister is coming to visit her here. And it turns out that they're both from their heritage is Scottish, and they were delightful. It was just a wonderful pair to talk to. We got off the elevator on the 5th floor, and we stood around in the hallway and just chatted a little bit. And when we found out where they were from, they asked us where we're from. Jennifer said, "Oh, we're from Calgary." And looking at us strangely, go, "Aren't we in Calgary? Why are you in a hotel in Calgary? Don't you have a place to live?" And so we, that was the look they gave us. That look said it all. So we said we're homeless on purpose, and we're traveling right now. And we sold our house, and we just got back from a 10-week trip in Europe. And they're just like, wow. And one of them asked us, "Well, do you do some work? Like, do you work at all, or are you retired?" And I said, "No, I'm working full time." And there's, "Really? What do you do?" And then I mentioned I'm a YouTuber. Well, they were just blown away because they're about our age. These two are about the same age we are. And they were just stunned. And it reminded me, I forget from time to time, when you're in the life you're in, and those of you who are in the life you are, sometimes what you do for your existence to you is normal, but to others is strange. Well, for me, doing this is now normal, but this I know is not normal for 99.99% of the world's population. And doing what I do with you at home out there and wherever you are watching me and listening to me is extremely abnormal, because I am live during market hours talking about the stock market, helping you write options. We're talking really abnormal here. And so when I mentioned that, yeah, well, we just last month we got back from Switzerland. I mean, it sounds so, hoity-toity, but to us, it's like, well, we just got back from Switzerland. What's the big deal? Doesn't everybody just come back from Switzerland? No. No, obviously not. And so you get this reaction of people going, good Lord, you're traveling around the world and you're on YouTube and you have all your followers and you're doing all that. That's incredible. Well, it is incredible. And I'm just the messenger telling you guys how to write options. And you guys are the ones writing the options and cashing in on these nice little hits. And I couldn't be more delighted because if you didn't make money writing options, I wouldn't have a channel. If this channel was talking to viewers that lost money all the time writing options, I wouldn't have any viewers at all. And I wouldn't have any members, and I wouldn't have any class takers. I wouldn't have any one-on-one consultations going on. I mean, it would be kind of lonely around here. And so for me to be helping you folks score on these option rights again and again and again and again, and occasionally you'll have an option that doesn't work for you and you have to do a rollover, but in the long run, you win, you win, you win. I couldn't be more thrilled because it certainly allows me to keep doing what I'm doing with Jennifer. And we're thrilled beyond you cannot believe, because we do realize from time to time how lucky we are doing what we're doing and how we're doing it, because it is extremely unusual compared to anyone else with a regular day job. So if I can get you guys liberated and get you away from having to work for anybody else and only work for yourselves as an asset manager, as a portfolio manager, as an option writer extraordinaire, I couldn't be more pleased. And so congratulations, all of you, on how you're doing and how you're doing it. This is fantastic. Karim says thanks, and I say thank you. H. Gregory, Uncle Bruce, I have 3 covered calls at $37 for September the 9th. I'm assuming this is GameStop. I'm still waiting to write 4 more. Should I wait or take what I can get now? Well, what are you waiting for? A recovery? I'm assuming you're thinking the stock is going to go up before you write again. This is I don't think you should wait. I think you should write a $32 call right now for next Friday. And damned if the stock goes up. If it goes to 34 or 35, what do you care? You'll buy those back and you'll write 35s or 36s or whatever for the week or two later, and you'll make money on the rollover and the fact that your stock is going up. You're making a nice little buck on the 37s, right on. I hope that they are absolutely cratering on you. And maybe you'll buy them back and write 34s for 9.9. Maybe you'll buy those 37s back and write 33s and then write brand new 32s or 33s for next Friday, whatever you like. And always be writing. The downtrend, don't even think about it. Just write. Beach Boy. So Uncle Bruce, about China, Indian TV reporting a story of a memo leaked from Huawei, written from a person high up there, admitting the numbers are much worse. Oh, yeah, China's in trouble. There's no question about that. Good evening, y'all. And because of the previous topic, 20 times 45 through a month or 10 times 7 would be already a great help to create new dough and live better than after working from home. Rock and roll. At least that's my plan. Right on, sir. Okay, you are going to be one of those self-employed people sooner rather than later, as far as I can figure out. There's no doubt in my mind. Nick, everyone is always coming from or currently in Switzerland. We're all of us are eventually headed there. We've come from there, or we're going back there, of course. No matter where you are in the world, sooner or later, if you're an option writer, sooner or later you're heading to Switzerland. Of course you are. Tiff, today I sold an HPQ September 16, a $35 strike call for $1.06. The premiums on HPQ improved a lot over the last 2 weeks. Right on. By the way, 85 here says, Blair, I'm thumbs up number 85. Thank you, my friend. BW Mitch Wallace, good call. I've been writing covered calls on XAir, MOM, and making cash. FDA approvals keep SP low for a while, so easy money. H. Gregory, yes, GameStop. That's the one. My man, thanks. Uncle Bruce laughing out loud. Tiff, Nick, I'll be in Switzerland next January. I mean, we're all going to be there. We've all been there. We're all going back someday. There's no question about it. We're option writers, of course. I mean, we're all going to be living the higher life. I mean, option writers are notoriously people that make way more money than anybody else. And so our lifestyles are about to improve, which includes our travels. No doubt about that. Jeff, hey, Uncle B, why is 200 the magic thumbs up number? It's an objective I like to hit. If I can hit 200 thumbs ups on the morning show, I am over the moon because of the number of people watching at any one time versus getting up to 200 thumbs ups. There are times where I have more thumbs ups on my channel than people watching at that time because of the turnover. And this shows YouTube there's engagement here. The artificial computers, they will say, oh, well, here's a channel with 10,000 live viewers and 1,500 thumbs ups. But here's a channel with 220 viewers and 300 thumbs ups. Wow. Like, what's this guy doing? What's this channel doing that has such a ratio? And that's where they spit more people my way. They'll promote this channel to anyone in the market that has interest in the stock market. They'll pitch my channel to him, say, you may want to watch this guy. You might find him interesting because he is engaging and his audience is engaging, and the thumbs up meter is pretty darn good. Satisfaction guaranteed. And that's why I keep begging for thumbs up. Every YouTuber does it in a different varying degree. But I make a real point of asking for thumbs ups, and I appreciate it. We've 112 here. I always try to get 100 for the afternoon show because I don't get as many views on the afternoon show as my morning show. I'm not on as long either, but you guys hitting that thumbs up button makes a big, big difference to this channel. It really does. We've been growing. This channel's been lifting up the last month and a half. More views every week, slow but sure. Every week, it's been climbing. And we want to keep that momentum going. That's all. Nick, Tiff, I'm extremely jealous. Splair, oh, yes, and I love these situations that you mentioned about talking with others. They are always surprised when they mention you, and after 1 or 2 minutes, always a question, have you been doing this for how long? Bama Babe, HPQ earnings on next Tuesday. This timing will usually create more interest and activity. There's an option writer telling you what's going on. There you go. Deuce Caboose, anyone read the article 2 days ago about the Spire contract with North Star potentially being $200 million in revenue? I missed it yesterday, but it could have been why it's popping, and I'm number 94 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, Deuce Caboose. Look, I'll take any excuse that why this stock's going up. Any good, give me any good reason. A 154.5 on Spire. We're up 21.5 cents. I'm looking for 10 days in a row like this. Let's go to 350 right now. How about that? ATIP, 99.7 cents on ATIP. Let's break that dollar, kids, and let's get going. Beautiful stuff. Tiff, Nick, you'll make it there someday. Nick, Tiff, if I came from Switzerland in 16 and I'm going in the not soon enough future, I am currently not in Switzerland. Cindy B, can GameStop turn green today? It's at $32, down 50 cents. Who knows? Maybe it can. Maybe it can't. AMC is down 50 cents today combined between the one and the other. The Dow's up 191. Finally, a little bit of a pop there, 0.58 of a percentage point. We're up 39 on S&P, 146 on NASDAQ. Alberto, I came on to see the balding, angry, shorty get excited when someone mentions delist. Has nothing to do with making money, though. Alex Deuce, Spire got mentioned several times in an article about NOAA in the Wall Street Journal. It could be that. Deuce, Alex, that too. Spire is a winning company. This little satellite outfit here, they're going to be around a long time. They are going to be a utility company. They're just like a utility company. You have to have a Spire kind of organization if you've got satellites in space. You cannot have satellites in the air and facilities on the ground talking to each other without Spire in the middle of it, and a company like Spire. And these guys are attaining more and more and more contracts, and they're getting contracts from governmental organizations. These kinds of contracts last forever. Checks never bounce from governments. You don't ever have collection problems. Get it? It's boring, but good boring. Really good boring. The money is sweet and is dependable, consistent, and the checks never bounce. I just can't. What more can I say? There's not much more I can say. It's on sale. It's 980 something percent off from the $10 issuance, and it's available. It's just sitting there waiting for you to buy it. And if you want to buy some high flying, crazy stock out there that might go to the moon, good luck to you. Where this one, they're not going out of business. They're not getting delisted. Their shares will eventually catch fire when the market figures out who these guys are and what they do and how they do it and who their clients are. It's only a matter of time that somehow, somewhere, an event will take place. Maybe a hedge fund manager will disclose that they own 8% of the company. They own 12% of the stock. All hell will break loose. I don't know how, what, where, and what, but there'll come a time where we'll look at each other and I'll go, I told you. And those who don't have it, don't have it. Those who have it, we're going to go, yeah, and there it is. And that's with ATIP as well. And so there you go. Michael M.E. to announce new drug any day now. Alex, a number 112 thumbs up. Good evening, all. I got dragged home from Spain today. You poor bugger. That is too bad. Deuce Caboose, Brucey, you're getting me more excited about my 12,000 shares. Blair, added new Spire to the watch list. Olivia, I like Spire. It's a good one to slowly build up on. Nick, I need to buy more Spire. Alex, Deuce, 12,000? I thought I was doing well with 1,000. Deuce, Michael, I miss you in the middle of the day when Uncle Bruce isn't on. I just miss you so much. Alex, you're doing well. You're doing well. Writing options while on holiday in España. Way to go, pal. You're figuring it out. You saw me in your hometown in London, and now you're writing options in Spain. I think this is working out for both of us. I cheers to all of you out there. Well done, everybody. 31.92 on GameStop. We touched 32, but we're backing off a little bit. We'll see what's going on there. The Dow is up 173. It's backing up a bit. AMC's down 9, Ape down 29, GameStop down 58 cents. Tiff, what's up with 23andMe? Anyways, it's so volatile lately. I really am disappointed it's down here, but I'm also hopeful that some of you with loose change have been picking this up and buying it. Matterport 475 up 11.5. Rocket Lab up 16 today, 552. Smart Rent 351, ridiculous. That is ridiculously cheap. But what can I say? 155 on Spire now. Sextera down 17 to 748. Bed Bath & Beyond is down 18 to 1018. Tesla down 335. Pfizer up 19. Boeing up 480. Apple up 175. HPQ up 111. 34. Cisco up 8. Twitter up 11. There you go. Fun times. 169 is the gain on the Dow, but that is down a little from its range a few minutes ago. DH, what's in the cup? It's Diet Coke. I can't find 2-liter bottles or cans of caffeine-free Diet Coke. Can only find Diet Coke. I can find this Coke Zero crap everywhere. I don't want it. It's unbelievable. I got been in and out this afternoon. Do you think we should look to write today instead of an open tomorrow morning? Yes, I think you should write today. Yes, always be writing. Yes. 3202 on GameStop. What a perfect day to write on GameStop. You can write 32s, 33s for next week, 33s for the week after if you want. Yeah, take some premium money here. Let the gamblers take the risk. Tiff, 23andMe improved a lot. We had months where it couldn't hold $3. Now we're on our way to $4 again. That's true. This company also is one announcement away from a breakout. You all know it. Those of you who follow this company closely, you all know the medical thing. You all understand that any kind of a drug that passes a certain stage of FDA approval, oh my gosh, it takes a drug to the from worth a couple of million to billions overnight. ME will get its slice of the action through royalties forever. And this stock will also become a utility stock. It will be one of these companies that just gets royalties and royalties and royalties from drug after drug after drug after drug, from the how many millions of DNA samples that they can provide. Good gosh, these guys are in a great position. Someday, you will all look back and go, yep, I remember when that thing was down in the threes. I do remember that. Yeah. But, what can I say? What's going on here? What else is going on? But then we've been above 6 not too long ago. That's true. And we've got a temporary discount window opening up. That's all I can say. Deuce Caboose, ME's claim of drug production in half the time needs just one successful drug in a quicker time, and it's gone like Donkey Kong. Exactly. That's exactly it. Just one move, one announcement for ME, Spire, ATIP, whatever the announcement is. If ATIP, activist investor, Spire, activist investor, ME, drug, a drug hitting, SoFi, new activist investor, Matterport, just announce that you're about to turn the corner and make money in the next 6 months. Whenever you tell us you're going to go cash flow positive, watch out. There's an announcement for every one of these stocks that will turn it all around, and they will be gone. But in the meantime, we're here at the ground floor, everybody. We're in the lobby. We're all in the lobby waiting for something to break, and that's it. So write options, make money writing options. GameStop 32.20. Options are going up a little bit if you want to write some. I got a shot here at 33s, 34s. Keep your eye on it. I don't know how long it'll last here. I don't know if it's going higher or lower. It doesn't matter. Always be writing. Yes, indeed. Tomorrow's option expiry day. I would imagine there are a bunch of you here with Friday contracts tomorrow that are expiring on a bunch of stocks, including GameStop. Should be a lot of fun to watch how many folks are buying options back at pennies on the dollar. Pennies on the dollar. Wonderful stuff. I'm excited for so many of you guys. This is going to be good stuff. I was just taking a look here. I'm curious. Tomorrow contracts that expire. I was just looking here at like 36s are 9 to 10 cents. GameStop 35s are 13 to 14 cents. GameStop 34s are 21 to 22 cents. 33s are 38 to 39 cents. They're all out of the money. They all die tomorrow. These were in the dollars earlier this week. There's got to be all kinds of bucks being made on this channel from all kinds of you option writers. Not happening on other channels, but happening here. I am sure of it. Isn't that wonderful? 37s are 7 to 8 cents. 38s are 6 to 7 cents. Isn't this beautiful? You got to love this. Oh, this is good stuff. Next week, September 2nd, 33s are 115 to 124. 34s are 87 to 92. 35s are 65 to 69 cents. 36s are 50 to 52. All out of the money. Beautiful stuff. Man, you got to love this. Going for September 9s. You want to write some September 9s. 33s are 207 to 225. 34s 170 to 194. 35s 153, 155. Easy money just waiting to be taken from the gamblers who are prepared to pay this kind of money. Ridiculous. They're crazy. I love it. You got to love this. September 16, 33s 242 to 265. 34s 212 to 228. 35s are 187 to 198. Oh my gosh, trading 195 for 35s. Nice. Multiply that by 4 to tell you what the pre-split price is on this stuff. $9 a contract, out of the money. Yeah, nice. Well, you got to have it to write them, and if you write them, you score. So well done, everybody. I'm happy. I'm thrilled for you guys. Looking good. Take no prisoners. Take the money. Just take the money. If they're going to hand it to you, you might as well just take it. Charitable folks that you are. Adding liquidity to the option market. Man, is this nice. Is this ever nice. 32.33 down 17. The Dow up 212. S&P up 42. NASDAQ up 160. Bit of a dead cat bounce here towards the end of the week. I don't know if it'll last into tomorrow. We'll see. Powell is going to speak tomorrow, and these markets are up. I don't know what they're thinking. I don't know what these guys are thinking running up a market just before Powell speaks about the calamity of the world economy. They're in a bizarro world, and they're about to get their butts handed to them. I don't like the odds of the market having a good day tomorrow. I could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. I don't think so. My 669 on the old SoFi up 24. Thank you. ME up 17 cents, Matterport up 11, ATIP at 99.7 cents. Go ATIP. Rocket Lab up 14, SmartRent still down 7.5, Spire 156 a share, up 23 cents. Go Spire, go. Volume on Spire 1.1 million shares. The volume on ATIP 320,000. Trying to head for $1. Come on, ATIP, let's do it. Cyxtera down 19, and Bed Bath Beyond down 22 to 10.14. Man, oh man, what a run. What a market we have. What a market indeed. It's just never a dull moment out there. Just never a dull moment. Okay. Congratulations, everybody, on a job well done this week, bringing in option premiums. Man, have they been handing them to you this week. It's been good. Zach, run it up to sell those options, buy back tomorrow. I see nothing wrong here. Exactly. Little run up here, right contracts, buying back tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right on. 250 gain on the Dow right now. Okay. And GameStop 32.35. We're off 15 cents on the day. Okay. All right. And we've got right now 133 thumbs ups from this dedicated core of viewers of mine. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. I do appreciate it. So many YouTubers have disappeared from a year and a half ago. Some of them, some of you remember, some you never ever saw. But there were a lot of brand new stock market YouTubers going live a year and a half ago, back in January, February of last year, during the craziness of it all. So many of them have disappeared. They may still have a channel, but they only do a recorded video once in a while, or they go live maybe once in a while kind of thing. It's been an interesting change. Even guys like Meet Kevin, his channel's really changed a lot in the last 3 to 6 months. And, these others, all these other guys out there that were out there, some have disappeared. Just quite something to see. But we keep plugging along. That's what we keep doing here, and talking about how to make money in this market. Thank you, all of you who have been sending donations to this PayPal account right here. $299.99 U.S. funds gets you 4 classes for the price of 3. And this deal expires tomorrow. This is our last week of the 4 for 3 offer. And we're ending it out tomorrow. Thank you to all of you who have decided to take advantage of this offer and start watching classes. Well done. As a matter of fact, I'm waiting for one person to get back to me. I'm waiting for, and I don't know if this person is here. I sure hope you are here watching me. Who was this person that made a donation? William Hernandez. William, are you watching me right now? You got to send me an email with the 4 classes you want me to send you. I got your donation. I don't have the 4 classes. What classes would you like? Send me an email if you can today, and we'll take care of you. I have sent an email back to you, but I haven't heard yet on what you want to do. Touching the thumbs ups number 135, says Zed. Thank you, Zeta State. I see now 137 have come in here on these thumbs ups. This is great. BW, Meet Kevin's page changed a lot after he got arrested for a DUI in Florida and acting like he's like his poo don't stink into the cops. Go find the video. It's hilarious and sad. I didn't know that happened to him. I had no idea that that he had anything like that happen to him. And Lorraine, hi everybody. How you doing, Lorraine? Welcome. Thank you all for being here. All of you who have joined in. Yeah, that's news to me. I didn't know anything about this. What? Of course, I have no time to really study everybody else. I'm kind of booked up here. Just doing what I'm doing. But I didn't know that happened at all. When did that happen? Does anyone know when that took place? Michael's going, that's interesting. Anyway, there you go. He's still got, 1.6 million subscribers? He's got a ton of them. Busy guy, but he's changed his channel a lot. Yeah, he really has changed his whole thing. The DUI video is a month old. I'll have to check it out. Oh, man. Yikes. Don't drink and drive. That's the motto. We're up 281 on the Dow. Finally, a little rally. It's still only 0.85 of a percentage point. That's all it is. Meet Kevin and bring bail. Oh, no. We're up 4 cents on AMC, down 23 on the Ape shares. GameStop down 22 cents at 32.28. SoFi up 24 cents to 668. ME up 17.5. Matterport up 12.5. ATIP at 98.7, up 2.9. Rocket Lab up 16. Smart Rent up down 4.5 cents. Looks like it's coming back up a little. Spire looks like it's sitting at 155, up 22 cents. Okay. Wing Commander MK Meet Kevin put out a video earlier today which disappeared pretty quickly about what happened. Is that right? I have no idea. Watching it now, Kev is hammered. Oh no. Oh no. That is that true? Are you guys are kidding me? Are really? Is this really going on? I don't. Oh no. Oh gosh. Jeff, we'd rather you spend time here, Bruce. We'd rather you spend time. We love looking at your lovely mug. Oh man. I don't know what to say. I have 85,000 subscribers and he has 1.6 million. So there's your comparison. He's doing something right. Maybe I should drink and drive too. Maybe that'll be good for my ratings. BW, everything changed probably because of all the green guy that seeped into his brain cells. When he went the green dye, when he went through a midlife crisis, sold everything out of the market. So he says, hiccup, drinky pants. Oh no. Zach, it's a TikTok video of the officer's body cam. It's legit. Oh, no. I know he dyed his hair green there for a while, and he was running for California, in that recall election. He was running for governor of California and all that goofy stuff. And he was doing live shows all the time and trying to talk about the markets, even though he's a real estate guy. He was trying to talk about the stock market a lot. And he does offer courses. He offers... all kinds of courses to, how to become rich. Yeah, green dye, says BW. Michael, he partook in too many libations, I guess. And Karen, I watched Kevin's video today, but he doesn't seem hammered to me, laughing out loud. I haven't seen it. I've been here. I don't know what's, oh, no. Jeez. Oh gosh. I don't know what to say. I try to do the best I can with what I've got. That's all I can tell you. I'm just trying to get by. Okay. Zach, no driving while drinking, Bruce, unless Canada condones such things. Jeff, Shades. Deuce Caboose. I'll trade bank accounts with Meet Kevin, though. Wouldn't trade the hair, though. Yeah. Well, he's a young guy. Was he now 30 or something? I hope he's okay. I'm sure he'll be all right. But he's working it. I don't know. Deuce, I am laughing my you know what off. Oh my gosh. Spire 155, ATIP 98.7, Dow Jones up 248 points. Yeah. Um, Michael, I don't even know who he is, honestly. I don't really know. Yeah, he started off as sort of as a YouTuber talking about real estate because he was a real estate broker. He started off as a real estate, just like a real estate agent, and then he bought and started buying houses, distressed houses, and fixing them up, and then renting them, and then building a portfolio of real estate. And he eventually started YouTubing. I don't know if he did it at the same time or he did it first. I don't quite know. And then he built up his following, and he's worked very, very hard. But sometimes when you're that young, and I'm going to guess he was in his early 20s when he began YouTubing, you are so into your existence that you just can't relate to the outside world so much. I get it because I admit this myself. Just talking to these two ladies here in the lobby, they were utterly delightful. But when Jen and I told them that we're homeless on purpose, their faces kind of went, what? And, we just came back from a 10-week European holiday. What? Like they were, we don't know anybody like you. So you kind of forget, all about that. Michael, is that the guy you did the collab show with? No, I've never collabed with Meet Kevin. I've would like to. I'd love to talk to him. I mean, I wouldn't mind just talking to him privately one day, just have a chat with the guy. But to collab with me, I don't think would do him any good. I guess how many viewers do I have that he could use? I'm 1/20th the size of this guy's channel. So I mean, I'm 5% the size of this guy. If I had 500,000 subscribers and he's got 1.6 whatever million, maybe now, but at this size, I'm too tiny. But I was on Trey Trey's channel, and I was on another fellow's channel whose name escapes me at the moment, the way back when, but I haven't done a collab in a long time. BW, yes, but Bruce, you drink Carlsberg like a refined gentleman that was raised in the halls of Wall Street at all. He's like a real life version of a trolley doll Amway salesman. That's not fair. Amway, says Zach. Karim, he used to give updates about the stimulus checks we didn't get, which is why I started watching him. Michael, you're 1/20th the size of most guys, though. Well, that's true. I'm so tiny. 4'11" and all. I mean, being 4'11", you're so puny against everybody else. Yeah, I guess that's true too. Yeah, Olivia's loving this. We got 5 minutes to go to kill off this day, and we are killing this day off. Oh man. Thank you to somebody. I just got a donation here and another donation. Oh my goodness, thank you. This is Dude's Ass Face. Love that handle. I'll never forgive you for introducing me to Meet Kevin's YouTube channel. Okay, I forgive you. Thank you for the donation. I do appreciate it. Fantastic. Oh, that's funny. BW, how high do you have the chair raised, Bruce? And how many pillows are you sitting on? I'm sitting on one for sure. I'll tell you that. Michael, I kid, you're definitely at least 6'2". Susan Shop's about. I'm thumbs up number 148. Thank you, Susan. Oh my gosh. Who was that? Who sent me a PayPal donation? No, fantastic. That's wonderful. Thank you, Myrna Thank you, Myrna, for a donation on PayPal today. The note says for a couple of GameStop sales today and going directly to pay bills, subscribing to your channel made a seeming dream turn into reality. You are making it happen for all of us. Best of all, and loveliest is the camaraderie in this channel. It's superior. Those are kind words. Thank you, Myrna. That's very kind of you. Also, Jeff, got your PayPal donation. Send me the list. Send me the list of classes. Okay, we'll get you set up for sure. Okay. Oh man, oh man. Pay the man $20. He'll read that name out loud. Looking at you, Michael Zach BW. Is it a hemorrhoid pillow? As Flair, I bet our channel still makes more money. Deuce Caboose, Dude's ass face, such a simple yet descriptive name. I like it. Michael, I prefer when he slips up organically. Zach, true, it's much more real. Beach Boy, thank you, sir, for this donation. Sold 65 GameStop September 9 33s for $226 a piece. Nice job, Jeff. I bought more classes. Can't pass up a deal on investing in myself. We got it, Jeff. Send me that email for the list. Zach, SoFi is stuck in a wrestling match with Satan 666. We got 3 minutes to go. Karim, where's your other hand between two pillows? Those aren't two pillows. Those aren't pillows. No. Zed, I found Uncle Bruce because Andrew Mo Money, AMC Data Analysis, what Uncle Bruce on his channel. I was curious about this Uncle Bruce guy. 8 months later, I have increased my income stream. There you go. Michael, Zach, that's a buy signal if I've ever seen one. Zach, Richard, Max Marr. Yeah, Max. I was with Max. We had a chat on his channel one day as well. And I reached out to Trey about 6-8 months ago saying, hey, look, I appeared on your channel. If you want to appear on mine, just let me know. Never heard back from him. On Max, I'm not sure how that went down. Nice Beach Boy. Wowza, says Alberto, writing calls. The Dow's up 310 points. We got a minute to go. AMC is down 3. The Apes are down 28. GameStop at 31.95, slipping again, down 55 cents. And the SoFi is up 22. ME's up 18. Matterport up 13. ATIP at 99.2. Rocket Lab up 18. SmartRent down 6. And Spire is 154.5. And we're just waiting for our friend Mr. Titus to ring the bells here shortly. The AMC fanboys didn't like the truth. I remember that. That's right, Michael. BW, this will be the second time I've seen SoFi shares stopped by MM at 666. This is pretty crappy. There you go. Beach Boy, thanks, Alberto. Way to go, Beach Boy. Way to write. Always be writing. We are almost done here in the last moments of the day with the Dow right now holding a 309 gain. So not bad for the Dow. There it is. The bells are being rung by Larry. Thank you, buddy. The day is done today. Ending it on a humorous note. 31.98 on GameStop, it looks like. Down 52 centinos. They tried to go to 32.50, but couldn't make it. I think the shares kind of got to 32.41 or something like that. And then GameStop did a reversal and gave up 40-something cents pretty quick at the end of the day to 31.96 at this moment is what I think I am seeing it here. On the aftermarket now, 31.96. The Dow lost or gained 324 in the last 4 days. Let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we lost 600-something, another 100-something. I think we're down 800. And now we've come back about 450 maybe. We're maybe half is back. And tomorrow, Mr. Powell speaks. Oh, good luck with all that. We're up 58 on the S&P. NASDAQ up 207. Final numbers coming through. Biden is going to Ohio for a groundbreaking ceremony for the Intel plant. Interesting. And Larry, I'm right on time this time. Zach, thanks, Larry. Beach Boy, Larry called it. Splair, probably a lot of us found that channel thanks to Wall Street's bets as well. And I wish you all an enjoyable and a good evening. Take care, Blair. I know it's late for you. Michael, Larry's picture is next to the word dependable in the dictionary. Larry, YouTube algo sent me here when GameStop first started to pop. Beach Boy, Mike, ain't that the truth? There you go. Ain't that the truth? Dow Jones 324 final gain on the day. There you have it. Another day in paradise. What can I say? 99.8 cents on ATIP. Spire 155 a share. Final close. Not bad. Not bad at all. Zach, yes, Wall Street Bets turned me on to Uncle Bruce. Now I'm addicted to this channel. I don't hardly go to Wall Street Bets anymore. Yeah. I used to glance at it once in a while. I just don't have time to watch any of it. I just can't follow it all. I've just got so much to, keep an eye on here, and then I have so many requests for information back and forth with you guys. So quite happy being here. Beach Boy, you can't handle the truth, says Wing Commander. Pat Markley, the same. Wall Street Bets brought me here. Many of you found me because of that. I remember there was a Friday night that my daughter called me. It was like a Friday after my afternoon show, so Friday afternoon for me. But my daughter phoned me, and she was on this. She actually talked to my wife, and then my wife put it on speakerphone. And she was in one of her favorite beer hangout places because her work was done for the week, and so she and her boyfriend were having a cool one, and she was getting all of these text messages to her from friends of hers. And now my daughter was at the time 33, and she must have got like 10 or 15 text messages, just boom, boom, boom. Her phone was lighting up, and it was all of her friends saying, "Is that your dad blowing up on Wall Street Bets?" Is that your dad is Uncle Bruce, right? Is your dad Uncle Bruce? Because they weren't sure. Is that do they call him Uncle Bruce? Is that the name of your father? Because he looks like your dad. Is that your dad? Because he's blowing up on Reddit and Wall Street Bets. This is last year, January, February. And so my daughter checked it out and just go, "Oh my God, my dad's going viral on Wall Street Bets." So she phones us and she says, do you know what's happening? Do you realize what is going on, what this means? And I'm trying to go, well, I'm doing the best I can. Not Wall Street Bets anymore, says Pat. Hawkeye, YouTube algo, same for me, about January 2021, maybe. Andrew, that's where I found Uncle Bruce too, Zach. Bleacher Creature, no time. The man hasn't even had a good bagel in months. Beach Boy, Wing, I'm laughing my you-know-what off. If this guy who introduced me to the GameStop short squeeze linked me to this channel back in the day, I assume he found it on Wall Street Bets. He sold his GameStop with a loss when we had the big drop after reaching 400. Karen, my son told me to watch you when the GameStop stuff was happening. That's when I started. Zach, I think the March 2021 8-hour marathon episode was within the first week of my watching. I was in awe. I've been here ever since. And Tiff, but he made a ton of money with NFTs last year. Interesting, Tiff, about the guy who introduced you to me. So my daughter said, do you have any idea what this means? And I'm going, well, they're kind of watching my show. They're kind of catching me on my, I've been on late. I started January 25th, and in the first 2 weeks, there were several days in a row where I went on for the whole day, didn't even take a bathroom break. I just, started at 8:30 in the morning and stayed on the air until the market closed. And it just caught a wave. And what can I say? Jeff, Uncle Bruce, not now per se, but would enjoy comment on a California plan to stop selling gas-powered cars by 2035. Yeah, Splair, I'm still curious who shared that channel there. Mirko, hey, Uncle B, I had 10 puts on AMC, $20, good till October 21. Sold 6, so the last 4 are more than free till they're a good 8 weeks. What do you think about keeping them a bit longer? You can always gamble with them, but we're you do the math right now on the AMC, and what do you got? 1640 or something like that. there you have it. But Mirko, nice job, buddy. I'm glad you're taking your money off the table. But yeah, it was unbelievable. The channel exploded. But unfortunately, with the good is the bad, and the good was the subscriber counts, the views. But what the bad was everything else, and there was quite a bit of that. And we finally had to make a dramatic change to survive because we could not continue on the way it was with all of the trolling and the threats and the hate emails and just thankfully we were not in a big city. We were out in a little town in British Columbia. So thankfully we were kind of out of the mainstream, but we had to make a change. And so the membership program, I brought out the membership program, and that in the end, to me, has saved the channel. It's made it so that I can still do what I'm doing, because the other way it would have deteriorated so badly, I may have just stopped it. And here, it's a whole lot different world now, and financially it's stable, and I can concentrate on the markets and concentrate on my viewers and work with you guys to help you make money in the market, rather than fend off attacks from all over the place. And so everything calmed down after a few months after, and now here we are, just kind of plugging along, working the markets, and still on the air. And many have come and gone, as I said. And of all the attacks and all of the hate and all of the everything, wherever they are, and whatever they're doing, and I don't have to worry about them on a daily basis. And we just, we press ahead. We just press ahead and try to take it further down the road in our own. We're going down our pathway to success, and I'm happy for you guys. Way to go! And there it is, and we're going to keep on keeping on. So, folks, tomorrow, kind of a goofy day tomorrow. I'll be on in the morning twice for the alert show and the first show. The afternoon show is a little iffy because we are changing locations. When you're on the run, you keep changing locations, and we are changing locations tomorrow. So I think there'll be an afternoon show. I just don't know how and from where. So stick around to see what happens. It's Friday tomorrow, option expiry day. It should be interesting, to say the least. Obama Babe, it should be really interesting tomorrow. But the tomorrow afternoon show is going to be sort of on the fly. So kind of hang around, and I'll keep you posted on what's going on. Jeff, $25 a month is chump change compared to what we get from you, Uncle B. I know it. I know that. But you know what? If enough of you join and stick around, then we can make this work. And of course, any donations that come in are just gravy. We thank you so much. Those of you buying the classes, thank you again and again and again. Get your donations in as soon as you can. We end this thing tomorrow. It's the last day tomorrow. Out of the getaway car would be great, says Mirko. If you could do the show out of the car. Deuce, golfing tomorrow. I'd love to log in from the 8th hole to see M.E. Moon because of the drug announcement. Let's make it happen, eh? Sell my house faster. Come on, Uncle Bruce. We need to bring back that troller who said our girls write more. Hilarious. Spare, just in case, wish you all a relaxed weekend. I'll explore Gamescom. Bama Babe, Uncle Bruce has found his purpose and dollars in life. Larry, afternoon show stream from the streets of Calgary. That's what's going to happen tomorrow. Maybe from a jail cell. I mean, who knows? It could be anywhere. It could be so much fun tomorrow. But join us for the whole thing, and we'll stay on top of it and see how you guys do on expiry day tomorrow. Should be a fun time. Thank you, everybody. Jeff, Uncle Bruce, what time does the alert show start? I don't know. It's anywhere from 7:30 Eastern to 8-something Eastern. I don't know. Someone's calling, but I'm on the air right now. I can't take the call. I'll have to get back to you. Get back to you later. I'm on the air right now. It's probably the cops. Beach Boy. So when do we all meet in Switzerland? That'll be a private. That'll be a coded message. You'll have to decode that one. Meet Kevin live from Dade County jail. Oh no! I have to go check this out. Now I got to check this out. I had no idea. I had no idea. Anyway, thank you all so much. Have a great one, everybody. Take care. Be well. I'll see you in the morning. And let's see if you guys can make some money here. Mostly 90 minutes before opening is before the market is when I usually do these. Exactly right. All right. You should be getting alerts. You should be getting alerts on my, if you're a Gold Bagel member, of my Trade Alert show, because Gold Bagel members only for that one. Thank you, guys. Zach, thanks, Bruce. See you tomorrow. Later, Bagel family. Okay, guys, be well, be safe. Take care. Thank you, BW and Zach, Splair, Mike, Beach Boy, Jeff, Larry, Bama Babe, Sell My House Fast in Upper Marlboro, Deuce Caboose, Mirko, Jeff, everybody, all the names that come through here. Karen, Bleacher Creature, Andrew, Hawkeye, Pat, Wing Commander, Zach, Larry, Michael, and on and on and on. Thank you all. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care. Thanks, Larry. You have a good one, buddy. See you later, guys.